Jetzt
Ja.
geht's, Alter.
Microcheck.
Ja, voll, Mann. Microcheck, das war Mic Check. 2-2. Shit, man. Okay, back again, guys. Everything from the start. Here, Bitcoin action. Here we have this resistance, it's the triangle that broke down. Alright. Price predictions, worst case, it can go to 22,000. I think it's probably not gonna go to 20,000. I think it's gonna stay here around the 30,500 zone. Here it's gonna bounce back from this resistance. Some other prices here, BNB. BNB starting to move. Finally. Yeah, so actually, I'm still bullish on BNB. It's a great project. Here, uptrend line definitely. Have this here and here. So it's probably okay. Let's take this one like this.
Ja, ich muss schon lange rauchen, weil das ist die Uhrzeit. Ich muss auch.
Ja, wir auch dran gedacht.
Sicher, also sind immer draufgekommen. Wir machen Rauchen.
Stream.
Stream ganz locker.
Yes, definitely BNB. I think it's a very good buy. You can see we are in this channel here, going up, down. So actually we're hitting now here. So it's definitely a good buy around the zone. I think the next move for BNB would be something like this. Then probably like this again, and like this, and like this. So back to the previous all-time high.
Das ist gut.
Den Mick Jagger.
Nein, lass mal.
Soll ich auch machen?
Nein.
Lass mal den noch nicht sehen.
Ja.
Wir können nicht an dem schneiden.
Aber kannst du Dings noch, Usual Mistakes in Crypto, vielleicht müssen wir das ändern.
Ja, was soll ich schreiben?
Ja, ich weiß nicht, Update, die haben wir gehabt. Wir können nur keine Usual Mistakes. Wir reden mehr über was labern ist.
Ja, aber das ist, weil die Leute brauchen, Alter. Die Leute müssen einfach halten und nachkaufen.
Okay.
Julian hat nämlich.
Okay, aber es muss jetzt Dings werden. Don't sell.
Yeah.
Don't sell. Oder hodl als erstes Dings.
Jetzt sehe ich als erstes oder noch.
Als erstes Hashtag. Hodl. Das ist wichtig, weil dann wissen wir gleich, das ist gleich so auf die Antwort auf. Don't panic.
It's organic.
So, da war gerufen. Shibaga. No, usual mistakes in crypto. Don't panic. Schaut besser aus.
So. Ja. So,
Punkt. Da.
Safe.
Passt. Morgen. Hi.
Okay, jetzt wieder so.
Mic check.
Geht, oder?
Ja, mic check passt.
Perfect.
Alles drin.
So here we just talked about the BNB price action here. It's probably going to move up in this channel here. Alright. Here. Bitcoin. I think it's going to make some sideways action here. Let's try to... Okay, let's try to go like this. Let's try to see where it could go. Yeah, we can. Okay. So if we come to some, it's gonna be like this. Perfect.
It's right now. It's at the moment that it might be holding a little bit. I think it will go sideways at the moment.
One possibility: we break down into the triangle, and then we can go up again. Not very likely. maybe some news. But I think it's more like we're gonna retest the triangle, then maybe retest this zone here, then go like this to the 25,000, and then like A, B, C, D, and then the fifth one is gonna be to the upside. So we can see definitely here, and here it's gonna break also this downtrend here. You can see here if it does that, because I think it's too early to break this downtrend. Definitely too early. So or if it doesn't break the downtrend, it's gonna have some resistance here around the 45,000. Then we can retest the 682 Fibonacci. Fibonacci. And okay, we also talked about parachain options. Now, in another video.
Okay, guys, what we want to talk about as well today is Mina for sure. So let's head over to Mina side. No. Mina protocol basically, and also what I like to do is basically always to open the chart on coin market, and I like to use the simply said, okay, to use the site itself for the first kind of news and then dive into it as anything interesting appears. Let's see what happened. So yeah, basically Mina is pretty much had a rocket start. It's crazy, 600 million valuation at the moment, or maybe it's like 500 million at the moment, a little bit less, but still a huge project. And what is the buzz about it? It's basically what we said, that the investors that also are invested heavily in Ethereum and Polkadot basically also backed Mina as a really big possibility. And at the moment it's trading at below the prices we already, or did we look at it? Without.
Yeah, we did without sound.
Yeah, without
we can take a look at the Mina
so
price
let's
here.
take a look at the Mina price. We have the support line already
So
basically lined out. And
so if you remember, we bought around here, somewhere here, and I also bought like here at 330, and then also down, and probably gonna rebuy something at 270 probably. It's gonna be a good price to enter. And the thing with this kind of stuff, sometimes the Bitcoin just goes down and it doesn't go below that area. Like even if bad news comes out, even if anything happens, the price cannot be the rate anymore, because all the weekends are out and the people that hold long term, they don't care about selling. So we have to get to this point where nobody sells their Bitcoin anymore for cheap. Right, guys, trust me, in a couple of years you're gonna regret that you didn't bought more, or
yeah, definitely. So this is exactly
like I'm doing it now for previous years. Like I had Bitcoins now, and I bought stuff with it, like with the Binance card, with this, with that, with the other cards. You can also order stuff online here with Bitcoin. So basically, it was very expenses at these prices now.
Yo, what's up, Mikey? What's cracking, bro?
What's cracking?
Brian, hi, welcome as well. Yeah, guys. So Mina, goodbye at the moment. Definitely will be adding some Mina to the wallet in the next couple of weeks, as holiday money is coming in, man. It's really cool. Holiday is booked. already, so the next holiday money can go into the future holidays, let's say like this.
Yes, invest in our future.
Investing in our future here, guys. So that's what we really do. Is just believing in a nice concept, nice ideas, pushing, helping building the community, and Mina is really nice. Yeah, it's a really nice community behind it. So we're gonna be part of this a long time.
Of course, of course.
Definitely.
And also let's talk about like if you're new into crypto, what coins you can take a look at. Like definitely you want to have some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some Binance, some Cardano, and it's already like 5 main projects. Like I would take like 5 from the top 20.
Polkadot is interesting at the moment, and
Polkadot is very interesting.
And also Pancake Swap, definitely. So for the more.
Yeah, they both went down like same price. Like both they were like 45, and now they're like Polkadot, Pancake Swap is around 60, 17.
And yeah, to be prepared for the Kusama auction, I would also add some Kusama. So if you make it, if you want to be part of this journey, basically with us together to add some Kusama to the auction, I would definitely take some of them, maybe even just a couple of them, and then hold them for a little bit of time to have some share on the news.
For sure, for sure. But here, like if you enter now, very good buy for Polkadot. It was 45, so basically you have like a 60% gain, and downside, I think like we won't get this area like 17, $18. You can see it bounce back this area,
it could.
and like all the alts are having like this.
Let's put the Ethereum chart next to it.
You see all of them are having like this upward momentum here. Like lower lows, no, higher lows and higher highs.
This is pretty good. Yeah. Go to Ethereum chart. Let's take a look at it next to Bitcoin chart.
Yeah, you can see Ethereum is also doing this.
Ethereum is also doing something. Yeah, almost like it. Yeah.
All the altcoins are doing this move here. So that's the only thing that keeps me, from telling the bull market is over.
Draw it from here because you can see basically. The line is going like this. Yeah.
If you want to draw it from here.
No, just draw like a channel here because this is also interesting. Yeah, you can do it like this as well. Yeah.
Yeah, so we are in a descending wedge, huh? If I'm not mistaken. Here. It's definitely altcoins very good buys. Like actually there are a lot of undervalued altcoins there. Like guys, you can get some cash flow from altcoins. You can do so much things like your dollar or your euro cannot do anything. Like your bank uses your money and you don't get anything. So most of the times you even have to pay for the bank, and it's up to you if you're gonna put your money into crypto and make some.
Yeah, exactly. This is no financial advice, so it's just financial entertainment. What we are doing.
Research.
Do your own research, guys. What we show you is just our opinion. But yeah, we think that at the moment, basically, it's time to wait a little on the Bitcoin also to decide again. I mean, the decision is made basically out of the triangle, but
yeah, we didn't see that bounce back like that breakdown. Like it went down a little bit, but not as much as it should, you know. So that's also a sign that it's actually pretty holding pretty strong. And we also don't have a lot of volume going on. So we always need a confirmation from the volume that we are in a trend, uptrend or downtrend.
So what we can see in action is basically Ethereum trying to push against the 23.6% Fibonacci line. It's pretty much holding it back from going over it, but it looks like a little bit of upward momentum is happening at the moment. And this is not just some hours, this is already since the bigger retracement, where we had also seen prices of $1,800 per Ethereum, and at the moment we are around 2,500, as you can see. So the first line would be at 2,411 and the second at 2,700. So that's where we are moving right now, between those lines. And we could see more upward momentum definitely if we will make the because it looks like the 2,260, the 23.6 is a little bit of a trend line that moves Ethereum up at the moment.
Definitely. I don't see it also going below 1,600.
So this is actually what's happening. Ethereum performing stronger than Bitcoin since the retracement. So this is for sure because of the many smart contracts that are just launched into the market, and also tokens and other stuff that is happening, NFT, DeFi.
Yeah, let's also talk about some news. Actually. You know, did you hear that Trump said Bitcoin is a scam?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he said it today. Like, but actually, it's like I think he's trying to buy cheap. Like, you know, Robert Kiyosaki, very good friend of Donald Trump. He's very bullish on Bitcoin, so maybe they're trying to get the price down so they buy more. But okay, let's go to Twitter. Let's see some BTC news. But this is big accusation actually. We don't have proof for that. We're not sure. Elon Musk is doing his shit. We all of them, as you can see, everyone wants to have a piece of the cake, basically. The one is doing it with his style by pushing against it, and also Elon pushed against it. Then he pushed for Dogecoin, so it's strategy behind it. Yeah, so here you can see MicroStrategy received 1.6. They wanted 500 million actually, and they received 1.6 billion for their Bitcoin fund. Very bullish.
1.6 billion.
Yeah. He wanted to raise 500 million for the hedge fund, and you know, he got 1.6. So people don't want to buy this Bitcoin, I think, or what do you think? Like, definitely the smart money. I sold all my Bitcoin. Are you an idiot? The FBI can hack. Oh yeah, this was actually also some kind of some fat news today. You know, it was like the FBI hacked Bitcoin, and actually it was not that thing. You know, the FBI just catched some hackers, you know, that hacked websites, and they were paid in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So they didn't hack Bitcoin. So that's why the price also went down today. Where's the news with Trump? You have called it.
It's kind of funny.
Please hold. Please hold. Yeah, so basically, Trump, you know, he's banned from Twitter. That's why we don't see it. But he was like, you know, he sounds very fearful to me. Here you can see it. Donald Trump calls Bitcoin a scam against the dollar, you know, because they don't want the dollar to use its power. You know, you can see El Salvador, you know, it's the new, they legalized Bitcoin, like they made it, they put it on their balance sheet, they state balance sheet. and Bitcoin is a threat to all major currencies. It varies. Okay, Bitcoin
This is actually the headline. So as you can see, how strong Bitcoin already got that.
Okay. The contract nearly okay, no threat to the dollar. I think it's a big threat to the dollar. If they keep printing so much dollars, they definitely get some problems in the future. And you can see a lot of FUD in the market. Just stake your coins here at BlockFi, get some interest on it. Use the link in the description. You'll get a bonus there. And you want to talk about something else?
Yeah, we wanted to talk about Kava as well.
We have some teaser for our crypto masterclass. Trust us, guys. You don't want to miss this out.
Yeah, it would be
how you can create passive income with cryptocurrency. That's very big, guys. Very, very big.
Will be a nice masterclass, basically starting from the scratch, from the beginning, from the fundamentals. This is the first course, and it will be giving you the most important sources to which you can connect with your phone or your desktop to be able to basically use the blockchain technology, the dApps, and whatever is coming in the future. So it's really important to be just set up with the free stuff. This is really important, a really important thing to do. And whatever happens, if you put in money, if you don't put money in, you just have it ready to go as you want. That's really important. That's what we will be covering at the beginning. It can be a little bit different to just talking about charts and whatever. I know many of the crypto community want to just talk about where the price is going. Obviously, everyone would like to know it, but
and we all know it. It's going to the moon.
We don't know for the moment, but we know for the future. Just hodl and wait the magic to happen.
Stake, guys. Buy some tips Satoshi right now.
Exactly. So buy and get into the concepts, get into the staking.
Actually, let's also talk about this.
And Kava, we wanted to be talking about Kava also, about lending, about staking. Kava with Kraken is really cool. Kava was a big news. They have a really strong trust from different kind of sites and from different kind of exchanges. They work with a lot of other exchanges and other big institutions, so they really know what they are doing basically. And yeah, so that's why we are putting in money into Kava and stake it. So this is also one of the topics that are really important. Is if all the community is looking to stake and to basically hold and stake his crypto assets for, let's say, 1 to 3 years, this is always a good advice to just wait with whatever you're doing, do it slowly and wait what happens, no stress. And if we all do it, the market will be also way less volatile in the future, what is a really nice and important thing to have more credibility for more users to join in. We are all early adopters at the moment, so nobody is knowing it all, but yeah, there's a lot of things happening, and many things could go in a very good direction at the moment.
Yeah, so here on Mina, if you want, you can stake your coins. You can stake your BTCB, this is Bitcoin on the Binance blockchain, your BUSD, EtherBP, EtherP on the Binance blockchain, BNB, Kava, Hard, hit BTC, and get some pretty good interest rates on it, like 36%, 35%. Like these guys don't want Bitcoin to go down, that's why they're giving to you these high interest rates here.
Yeah. So this is the most important things at the moment that we are looking at. Just for a quick it is getting tired
Mm,
already. We see it's already 11
11,
p.m.
yeah.
It's a very hot day in Vienna. We are from Vienna, by the way, and we'll see what happens next.
And leave a like, comment, subscribe,
Oh,
ring the
yeah,
bell, and
ring
let
the
us know what are you
bell.
buying right now, what are your favorite altcoins, how long are you in the game, um, how it's saying, and also what's your price prediction for the short term and for the long term? Where do you think Bitcoin will go this year, and where do you think it will go in 5 years? Just ask yourself, like, do you think Bitcoin will be worth in 5 years more than now? Yes or no? Simple question. And I think this was it for today, or?
Yeah, we'll do another call, another live the next days.
Yeah, we will update
So
you on Telegram. Make sure to follow the Telegram chat.
yeah,
Write us there. Ask some questions. I'm most of the time I'm online answering. Um, and hope you're having an amazing day and make a lot of gains in crypto. And just take some sets.
if you have any questions in the next days, in the next minutes, write us on Telegram. We will be looking at the group. Guys, thank you for joining in.
Bye bye.
Have a
Love
great
you.
evening, and yeah, let's hodl together.
Together. Bye bye.